Hello, I suggest really the simplest and fun way to solve this cube blindfolded, without formulas available even for children. Let's begin. My twins just for this lesson. Notation: A, B, C, D, E, F at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yellow. Lost. It's a buffer, it's a basket. We need to know how to solve them. My home is my castle. Bend, bend left, bend, bend right. I go ahead, bend, return, bend. To shows to turns, I throw my gun in right hand. Again, go ahead, bend, return, bend. To shows to turns. Ready? Let's solve them again. Okay. More we need to know is the topmost. How to get to the basket from any place. For front, from this place. Under the topmost, from this place. Front counterclockwise, right clockwise. In the same way it returns to his place, under the top. From this place, under the top. Same for right, from this place, under the top. And so on. Same for down, from this place, under the top. And so on. I show scheme, you already know it. And now an example. Let's mix our cube. Right, back, right, back. This piece always here. So, it's a hotel. After celebrating the New Year's, let's make a plan and send everyone to their rooms, like here. Starts from a buffer or reception. This red face with green and yellow, his place is here. Remember, 3, like here. But this yellow face with this, his place is here. Remember, L, like here. But this green with this, his place is here. Remember, C, like here. But remember with fingers, 3L, C, 3 Lucy. But this blue face with this, his place is here. Remember, 5, like here. But this, oh my god, buffer piece, his place is here. And we have to send it to any free piece. This piece is free because 3 Lucy and 5 are busy. To any place decided to place F, like here. Remember, F. But this red with this, his place is this. Remember, E, like here. So we have a plan. 3LC, 5FE. Or 3 Lucy, 5 feet. And finally, let's send everyone to their rooms from reception blindfolded. First in plan, place 3. Solve them. Set up for place 3 next. Solve them. Angle setup. Ready. Next in plan, place L. Solve them. And so on. You can do it. Okay, I continue. Set up for place L next. Solve them. And the setup for place L. Next in plan, C. Set up, solve them. And the setup for place C. In the same way. Next in plan, 5 goes to the basket or waiting hole, solve them. And the setup in the same way. Next in plan, F. Set up, solve them, and the setup. Next in plan E goes to the basket or waiting hole, solve them, and the setup. In this way, returns to his place. Ready? Don't wait for a miracle, make a miracle. More look in description. Sorry for my English, I tried very hard with Google Translator. Thank you very much for life. Good luck, everyone.